In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. This process can really help streamline your workflow by keeping your schedule and notes in one organized space. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion homepage. If you're not already there, open up your Notion app or website and find your way to the Home section. This is your starting point where you can access all your pages and databases. Once you're there, glance over to the left side of the screen. You should see a menu that lists various options for navigating through your Notion workspace. Scroll down this menu until you find an entry labeled Notion Calendar. This section is where you'll manage calendar integrations and other related settings. Now, go ahead and click on Notion Calendar. This action will bring up a new set of options specifically related to calendar functionalities within Notion. What you're looking for here is a button or link that says Get Notion Calendar. Clicking this button initiates the process of syncing your Google Calendar with Notion, allowing you to bring all your scheduled events into your Notion workspace. Once you click on Get Notion Calendar, you'll be prompted to sync your Google Calendar. This step essentially links your Google Calendar account with Notion, so you'll be able to view and manage your events directly from your Notion pages. Make sure you follow any additional prompts or authentication steps that may appear, as these are necessary for securely connecting your accounts. By embedding your Google Calendar into Notion, you'll have the convenience of accessing and managing your schedule alongside your notes, projects, and databases. This integration can be especially helpful for keeping track of deadlines and appointments without having to switch back and forth between multiple apps. Remember, organizing your workspace in a way that suits your personal workflow is key to staying productive. Notion offers a wide range of customization options, so feel free to explore other features that might complement your calendar integration. You could, for example, set up reminders, link tasks to specific calendar events, or even create a dedicated dashboard that provides an overview of your schedule and tasks. And there you have it. Embedding your Google Calendar in Notion is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your productivity by creating a seamless workflow. With your schedule and notes in one place, managing your time and tasks becomes a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity tools. Have a great day and happy planning.